guys, it's Chantel with Wildberry Quilting, and today we are sewing block 5 of the Barnstar Quiltalong, and that is the Northern Star block. So let's get started. All right, so our first step is we're going to take our A pieces and our B pieces, and we're going to join them together on the sides like this. And if we are sewing a single block, we will do 4 of these. And if we are doing the 2 blocks that is required for the quilt, then we will be doing 8. All right, now we have our B blocks and our C blocks, and we are going to join them together like this. And again, we are going to do 4 of these if we are doing a single block, or 8 if we are doing the 2 blocks for the quilt. All right, so now we have these units and these units, and we are going to attach them like this. All right, so we have these units, and we are going to be taking these pieces and snowballing on either side like this. And then we will trim that down, and this is how that will look. All right, so now we have our F pieces and our D and our E pieces. And we are going to snowball it into one corner and to take an E piece and snowball up onto the other corner. And we're just going to go across like this and across like that. After we get this pressed, we're going to do the same thing to this other side. Alright, so now we have these units, and we have attached our pieces to either side like this. And we are going to take these same squares and put them at the top and snowball again, and these guys and put them at the bottom and snowball just like we did already. So now I have E and G, and we are going to be snowballing the G blocks with the E's. It'll be like this, and we're going to sew across. And we're going to do that on to both sides. All right, so now we are attaching these to the other side and making our flying geese. All right, so now we have these 2 unit pieces, and we are going to be joining them together like this. Alright, so now we have these unit pieces, and we are going to take 4 of them and connect them to our remaining 2 F pieces. Just like this, and then one on the other side, like this. Alright, so we've got these unit pieces, and we've got these ones, and we are going to join them just like this. Alright, so now our units look like this, and we are going to take the remaining of these and attach them to the other side. Okay, so now we have our rows all sewn together, and we just need to join them. All right, guys, so this is our finished quilt block. It is beautiful. However, I think my one is going to be a do-over because I ended up choosing a fabric of unknown origin. I received this white fabric secondhand, and because of that, I don't know where it came from. And as I got working with it, I realized it was a lot thinner than what I feel comfortable with putting into my quilt. I'm not spending all of this time and effort to make a quilt that's only going to last a few washes. Even though it's only 2 blocks in the quilt that have the fabric, it only takes 1 block falling apart to mess up your quilt. And we don't need that. It is far too difficult and far too much work to try to repair a quilt. It's better to just set that aside and start with a new block. I can always use this for something else, maybe a tote bag or a pillowcase or something of that nature. Don't forget that the link to the book is in the description box below, and please remember to hit like and subscribe. I'll see you again next time. Bye!